Richardson here with Direct Colors, back to answer more of your questions. How do I deal with ghosting lines or tile lines after I pull tile off concrete? Now, if you've ever done this, but whenever you pull tile up, especially when it's been down a while, you see a grid pattern that is sort of just imprinted into the concrete. It's very, very difficult to deal with on a decorative concrete project. There's very few options that you have here. One is to come in and grind. Just grind that surface down, take a micro layer off. Sometimes you can get past those grout lines, other times you can't. Sometimes you could put an overlay over the top, a micro film of concrete, and then do your decorative project over the overlay. If those two are not options for you, then I would suggest using a pigment-based or a topical colorant, not an acid stain, because the acid stain is going to work with what you have. Pigments will rest over the top of the surface, but the key with the pigment is the color has to be at least as dark as the grout line, because if you put a light color over dark, these are translucent colorants, so you're going to see that dark line come through. So it needs to be at least as dark as the grout lines that you're dealing with, and you can try to cover. Don't get carried away with putting too much product down. This is not a paint, not intended to be a paint. So for the best results, a couple of thin coats, darker color, feather it out, and then put a sealer on it. That's about the best you can do. So I hope this helps in dealing with grout lines on concrete surfaces.